Hello, John Rohr here with the Unity 2D game tutorial. And some of the new things we have in our game is we have a game over screen. Um, Text will appear saying game over, and a restart button will also appear when you lose the game. And this happens when you die. So when you die in the game, you will lose control over the player. So your movement keys are all disabled. There's nothing you can do in it except for press the restart button. And this happens when you interact with an enemy. So if your box collider touches an enemy, it will play a death animation. Your little fox in the game will appear hurt, and then you'll lose entire movement or control over your movement. Um, there needs to be some cleaning up with the animation because I set on the condition that your player dies, that your box collider is disabled. I was trying a few different things to try and make the animation seem cleaner because the enemies still move and then they were still interacting with the player and it didn't look very nice. I'm going to be finding some different ways to try to make the game over screen seem more clean without seeming all weird, because when you die you fall off the map because your box collider is disabled. And I think it looks better than if you're still stuck on the screen standing there. You'll have to see it in my next video, when I give a demonstration of what I have. And another thing I have now is wall jumping. Um, this was rather difficult. I can jump vertically off the wall, but there is no force opposite of the wall in the opposite direction, and that's something you want in a game. So that's not currently working like it should. And there's also a bug in there somewhere where my first initial jump in the game, I jump way too high. I have an idea of what that might be, but I'm not exactly sure. So I think over the next few days I'm gonna do an entire rework on wall jumping because it's not working like I'd want it to. It's working okay. Maybe for some people they would want a game where it works how it does right now, besides the initial jump that's too high. But for my game, I want force off the wall on the X vector and not just the Y vector. So that's something I'm going to be working on still, getting my wall jump cleaned up. Um, I tried a lot of different things, and um, I'm not sure exactly. There might be a lot of things commented out. There's got my code a little bit messy, but I'm going to be spending the next few days cleaning up these issues and getting them resolved. So you'll be seeing my wall jumping, my death, and my game over screen in the next video. Thank you.